Scania Service Planning is a feature within My Scania which elevates fleet management with dynamic planning for maximum uptime, streamlining repair and maintenance requests to your chosen workshop. The service offers real-time updates, a fleet overview, and an intuitive calendar for efficient service planning. Drivers can create defect reports via the Scania driver app, visible to fleet managers instantly. Service events are displayed in 4 columns: service events to book, preliminary bookings, confirmed bookings, and bookings in progress. Unscheduled repairs or maintenance tasks are grouped under service events to book, allowing you to review deviations on your fleet and schedule, select service events, and schedule workshop visits. Track booking requests are pending in the preliminary bookings column. Once approved by the workshop advisor, they're seamlessly updated in the confirmed bookings column. Monitor maintenance activities and downtime in the bookings column when your vehicle is at the workshop. Manage booking requests easily with a multi-step process in the new Scania Service Planning, making the administration of your workshop visits as simple as ABC. Service cards update automatically as new workshop information is received, with notifications at the top of the screen for visibility. Receive proposals, confirmations, and reminders from Scania workshops to streamline the booking process. With Scania Service Planning, you get the immediate response to your service bookings, keeping an open dialogue between you and your Scania workshop.